A blessed morning, everyone, for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 13, verse 6 to 12. And the sons of Ham, Cush, Mizraim, and Put, and Canaan. And the sons of Cush, Seba, Habila, and Sabta, and Raama, and Sabteka, and the sons of Raama, Sheba, and Dedan. And Cush begat Nimrod, and he began to be a mighty one in the earth. He was a mighty hunter before the Lord. Wherefore it is said, even as Nimrod, the mighty hunter before the Lord. And in the beginning of his kingdom was Babel, and Erech, and Akkad, and Calne, in the land of Shinar. Out of the land went forth Ashur, and builded Nineveh, in the city of Rehoboth, and Kala. And the reason between Nineveh and Kala, the same is a great city. So, one of the descendants of Cam is one of the descendants of Ham is Mizraim. Mizraim, when you Google the name Mizraim, it will lead you to Egypt. That's why the Egyptian civilization with their pyramids and everything, it's so it is deeply rooted in the Bible, and one of their ancestor is none other than Noah.